मुखातिब मेंबर एग्जीक्यूटिव इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट बार।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think they took away my credentials of being a doctor, a double PhD. I'm sorry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadu wa nasalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'uzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Distinguished guests sitting in the gathering who have been waiting for very long to listen to all the speeches on such a formidable topic. My name is Dr. Palvash Ayaz. I hail from Sawabi district, KP, but I've been a bar member here since 2009. I graduated in my PhD, my first PhD from King's College London, and my second PhD was from Al-Azhar University in Islamic theology in present day and age. On this auspicious topic which has been given today, and many people have spoken on it, I personally feel that I'll say it on, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not just a human rights activist, but I'll start with Bulleh Shah's few formidable lines, in which he turned around and said, Bulleh Shah, tu kadre vekhte apne nu, tu samajh ke vekh, tu dasta ki, tu samajh ke gal kar, tu kis pehle apne nu puch, teri pehchan ki hai, tera andaz ki hai, tu kis sawal te ungli rakh raha hai, tu kis sawal da jawab dhoond raha hai, tu apne andar pehle jawab tajweez kar, phir tu das duniya nu te gala nu. This Bulleh Shah, not just being me, being the disciple of him, and I'm speaking of, but my fellow gathering members, what I'm trying to tell you right now is, a lot has been said. But if you look into the present times, look into the rights and liabilities, look into yourself and see this constitution as a hallmark of what is happening around you. So much of discussion has been discussed. So much of analysis has been put forward. But let me, in this outright thing, first tell you one and foremost thing, and that is, this is a times of the social media. Look at from the bird's eye view. See it from the bird's eye view and you'll understand something. Why do we need to talk about so many things? Look at what you are doing. Your constitution, your people are representatives of your constitution. Your rights and liabilities which you entrusted in your political sovereign, what has he done to it? उसने आपको किस नताइज और किस कटेरे पर आकर खड़ा कर दिया है? आपके सियासतदान जिसके हाथ में आपका थामा हुआ वोट था, उसको किस लहज पे जाकर खड़ा कर दिया है? उससे आप किस चीज का सवाल और जवाब कर रहे हैं? मैं पहले पूछना चाहती हूँ, not as a human rights activist, not as a Pathan, but as a citizen of this country, not as a political analyst. What are you talking about Balochistan, and you're talking about Sindh, and you're talking about Punjab, and you're talking about KP? You are absolutely in the deepest slumber and the deepest pits that you can ever think of. Where is your constitution? Constitution is in doldrums. Your constitution is amended. It's in the hands of those people who are now the custodians of it. What to talk about it? What to talk about it? Human rights. See it from the world analysis. See it from the perspective of what Rabindranath Tagore rightly said. Your rights, your liabilities, your rule of law is all sailing in one boat. How do you compartmentalize? वो बिचारी किश्ती तो ऐसे डगमगा रही है जैसे कभी डगमगाई नहीं थी. Such dignitaries were sitting in the front panel. Such dignitaries were sitting at the back panel. All have spoken in such great words. Mind you, I'm speaking because I've been representing Pakistan. I've been representing the legal community in Al-Azhar University. I was the president of the student union. And I spoke there not as a Pathan, I spoke there as a citizen of this country. And I was feeling so ashamed of myself. We are so good at words and giving speeches, endless speeches we are giving, but not once do we understand that our rule of law के जिसके अंदर परखचे उड़ गए हैं और अब हमें इसका इक्तदा किसी तरीके से करना है। वो किस तरीके से आप करेंगे उसका सलूशन हमने ढूंढना है। हमने मुत्तफिक होकर करना है, हमने बिरादरियों में तकसीम होकर नहीं करना। जस्ट रिसेंटली वी वेंट थ्रू द वोटिंग सिस्टम और उस वोटिंग सिस्टम में मुझे एक चीज का बहुत बड़ा एहसास हुआ कि हमारी जवान नस्ल जो है वो बहुत बाशऊर है। वो पश्तो में कहते हैं जोलने नदी अचवली पलासुनो के तश अगावाड़ी। They just need sustenance. They just need representation from all of you. Please, बालातर होकर हमारा our army, our distinguished army, as an institution, since Pakistan independence has somehow been given a very negative, has portrayed itself in a very negative impression. By why? Don't they have their hands enough in a lot of problems which our country is facing on the borders? The institutions that we have made, which a constitution has made, why can't they be freed? Why can't our constitutional institutions be able to breathe? वो सांस क्यों नहीं ले रहे? वो amendments of 46 amendment और फलाना amendment के अंदर क्यों आ रहे हैं? हम क्यों नहीं देख रहे कि what does the majority say? मैं वो पश्तो का एक बहुत जैसे कहते हैं ना कि I won't quote the शायर कि नामुस और पुख्तो, नामुस कहते हैं आपके इक़्तिदार को, पुख्तो कहते हैं आपकी कन्विक्शन को, what you belong. पगे मांदे जोलने माँ अचवा दखपल लासुन ताकत, अचवा दखपल आवाज हिम्मत, पासा उच्चच्छा अयोजल बिया उगटा दखपलजार. मीनिंग बाय के जैसे बुल्ले शाह ने कहा था कि उठो, अपने ही मदार में सर उठा के उठो. हर कोई शाहीन तो नहीं है, चाहे बुलबुल ही सही, लेकिन परवास तो करो. I end my speech not on a speech but just to tell you all कि जो भी इस हाजिर वक्त में ख्वाब खरगोश से बेदार हो सकता है, हम उनके साथ हैं. प्लीज अपने आप को और कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस और टर्मोइल में मत डालें और एक आवाज के साथ लब्बैक करके इस हाजिर वक्त जो दलदल में हम धंसते जा रहे हैं, खुदारा ये कानून भी आपका साथ है, ये जवान भी आपके साथ है, ये फौज भी आपके साथ है, लेकिन खुदारा फौज जिसे कहते हैं ना ब्लू आइड बेबीज को परवान ना चढ़ाए. These blue eyed babies have already wrecked us. क्या हम फिर बंगाल और उसका वो जायचा ना बनाए? हम अभी भी हिम्मत है और हमें अपने मदार में रहने दें. जज़ाकल्लाह and my God's grace be upon all of you, and thank you for listening to me. May God give Pakistan the strength and the ability to be able to raise its voice, to be able to stand united. चाहे पोटोहारी हो, चाहे पंजाबी हो, चाहे पठान हो, चाहे बलोच हो, चाहे सिंधी हो. Pakistan Zindabad and this Islamic Republic of Pakistan Paindabad. May God give us the strength and ability once again. Khudam Sparale.